Okay. I can start pedaling just to go, right?
Yeah. And you could increase it. Well, at least, you know,
Okay.
yeah, a little bit.
Whoa! So right there, you could dive. Or you could jump in over there. Whoa. Uh-oh, time to turn around. All that right there. Almost. Here we are at Hampshire Rocks. I don't know how much you're gonna hear me because of the wind. We're on a motorized bicycle. My cousin Stephen made it. I don't want to stare too much at people's campsites. They're gonna become some kind of creeper. But all that right there, you got a creek right on the backside. You're almost like your own little private beach. Go this way. This is the camp host. His name's Peter. He's cool. Just say hi to him when you come in. Nicest guy you'll ever meet. This is kind of all free right here. As you can see, it's free. It's packed. So we're gonna head back. So if you come to Hampshire Rocks, anything by the river is really good, but they're always taken. This side's okay. You're just gonna listen to the freeway all night. But this here, this is the side you want. So right back there is the creek. It's pretty clear. All right, let's zoom up a little bit. Again, this is my cousin's electric bike. Oh man, there's no way I would have covered all this ground without help. This is another great spot. The bathroom. The campground's pretty clean. Hampshire Rocks. Another good spot. They're right back on the beach. This has a little beach on it. Go back there. You know what? I'll take you back there. Uh-oh, people back there. Their shoes. I'm not gonna go back there. Okay. If you have a big family, this is great out here. All of this. We got a big party going on. Over here, got a lot of ground. Back there's the creek again. Anything next to the mountain's pretty good. Again, if I were coming up here, had the reservations, had the chance, this is my favorite spot. Right there. All right, we're almost back to camp. See what happens. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make chimichangas in the First, you plug in your microwave to the generator. It's over there. And you put your microwave burrito in for 1 minute and 15 seconds. Next, you get a pan, a little bit of grease in it, put your burritos in it. And from there, you just fry it till it's a little brown on each side. And then just a little golden brown on each side. Bam! Chimichangas in the forest.